the WeCareFX interview. We can see that there are 623% that is watching. Oh, that's Ken Yo there. Hello, everyone. Hello, Ken.
Hello, Ken.
There's this user named FX33823770006 watching live from Australia, Brisbane. All right. So now let's get back to our business. Our priority, all right, our main event here. Okay. So where we're gonna ask you a little bit of how you trade and how you handle it lah. All right. So for the first question we would like to ask, it's kind of a main topic lah. All right. So for the first topic, we're gonna ask you about copy trading. All right. Since that's what you do on your trading journey, right? That's what you're doing, right? All right. So now for the first question. Sorry,
come again.
Now we both say sorry. So how?
I couldn't hear your question.
Okay, sorry. All right. So now for the first question, are you ready, bro?
Yeah.
Nice. All right. So for the first question, what is your approach to copy trading? As simple as that. That is the first question. What is your approach to copy trading?
Okay. My approach to copy trading is actually very straightforward. One thing for sure that I always remind myself is I do not need to overtrade. Okay, I do not need to overtrade and I do not need to trade so much. And since I started off with a very, very small capital, that's why I use copy trade for a start in my fund management journey.
Oh, so that's how you start, is it?
Correct. At first, of course, I did started off with my own trading account, personal trading account, right? And then after that, I see a lot of the people out there in the world today, they don't really want to learn how to trade, but they have the money to actually invest. But of course, I always remind people to invest in the money that they're willing to lose. In trading, everything that they do, in business, in work, in sports, there's always a risk.
I see. So that is your approach towards copy trading, is it?
Yeah.
I see. Very, very, very good answer. All right. So for the second question, I will not want to waste your time since you are a very important person. So for the second question, is there a specific strategy that you use when you are copy trading? Is there any specific strategy? Yeah.
Well, I do have a specific. Okay, in terms of trading style or trading strategy, I'm only doing scalping. Okay?
Scalping.
I'm only doing scalping, but I have a very specific time zone where I actually scalp. I only scalp during Euro or GBP session. I do not trade in the Asia session and I do not trade in the US session. Why? Because based on my own personal experience, in the morning Asia session, I will do my analysis. Okay. And then during Euro session, I will start my trade. Once I hit my target for the day, I will stop my trade completely. Because when I did try to trade on my own account last time, when I first started to trade, whenever I made in the Asia and also Euro session, I was fine. I made profits all the time, actually. But
wow. Mr. Adam, please, can I please get your phone number, please? I'm pretty sure there's a lot of people that would like to have your phone number as well.
we can discuss that later.
Wow. Okay, guys, we have a chance here. Yeah, we have a chance here.
Okay. Wait. Okay, but based on my own personal experience, I do not know why every time when I try to trade again in the US session, I would actually lose everything. And whatever my analysis is, it will all go the other direction. For example, if I see a buy in the US session, it will always go to a sell first. Then only it will go to a buy.
Okay. All right.
So
totally
that's why
understood.
I have my specific time zone of trades.
Very specific. That's your secret recipe, isn't it?
That's my own personal secret recipe. Everyone has their own way, but this is what works for me. So that's why I only trade during GBP session and I'm doing scalping only.
Okay, this is very interesting. I will definitely going to get your number later. All right. So before we continue, there's a question from TIN4340. Right. So the question is, which is better, either copy trading or PAM? So for that question, Mr. Tin, I think I will ask Adam to answer that question at the end of the interview because we haven't got into our PAM topic just yet. So for that question, Mr. Tin, a little bit of explanation later on. All right. Okay. So now we continue towards our third questions for you. All right. So for those who are new to copy trading, Adam. All right. So to those who are new to copy trading, what are some tips that you would offer to help them get started?
Okay. All right. So for someone who's venturing into becoming a copy trade master or even for investor, let's talk about copy trade master first. For copy trade master, first thing first, this is my take on how to start off as a fund manager. First thing first, there's three main things that they need to understand, and they need to be honest to themselves if they want to become a copy trade master or a fund manager. Number one, they need to be very, very confident with their own skill. Okay, they need to have the skill to become a fund manager. You cannot just ask someone without any knowledge of trading and trade your own funds, right? Okay, so that's the first thing. Second thing is that after the own skill, second would be the discipline. If he or she can be very, very disciplined, okay, as in they have the discipline to not over trade. Once they hit the target, do not continue to trade. Then they would be a very, very good fund manager. Last but not least, they need to see that's why I say they need to be very, very honest to themselves. They need to know, and also they need to know themselves very well, actually. Because if they are not able to handle the stress or pressure of, floating, because whenever you trade, there's definitely going to be floatings everywhere, right?
Yep, correct. Hello, can you guys hear me? Testing. Hello?
You lost
Testing,
me.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's the internet, man. I'm so sorry. I got driven with your stories, man. So I went out of the window. All right. Okay. Lovely answer, bro. Although I did not hear fully, but I'm pretty sure all of the audience heard it clearly. Okay.
I can repeat the three things. For someone to become a copy trade master, they need to be honest to themselves on three things: their own trading skill,
Okay.
their discipline,
All right.
as well as their own emotions.
Impatient, is it?
Emotion.
Okay. All right. So, for all of the listeners, please remind yourself about all those three important things that you all need to remind. Yeah. All right. So now, before we proceed, there's another last question before we proceed to our second topic, which is spam. I'm pretty sure Mr. Tin couldn't wait for the moment. All right. So as of now, new ways of trading is much more simpler, and I think it's much more efficient. Less stress, less energy, and less time to consume. Right. So now I would like for you to explain the benefits of both copy trading and traditional trading. Which one is better? Because I can categorize myself as a traditional trader. So, and I'm kind of skeptical about copy trading, but since I'm seeing you doing very, very well in life, I would like to be, I would like to add Tan at the end of my name. So that I can have the name similar as yours. Yeah. So can you please explain what are the benefits of copy trading compared to traditional trading, bro?
Okay. Well, traditional trading is sometimes traditional trading. Okay. You will lose your own discipline along the way, because when you are own account, okay.
My heart, bro.
It's okay. Don't worry. I got that too because I faced that. Okay. So normally, if I create my own personal account, okay, I will be doing very, very well. But there will be a point of time where I will get greedy and itchy finger. So from there, I will lose all my discipline and I will start to trade blindly. But with a copy trade, and whereby I know there are investors funds inside, okay, where there are investors funds inside, I cannot have that leisure to continue trading blindly. So funds and also pro between trading a copy trade account and also my own self account is copy trade account. I will have to be very, very disciplined, which is good, which is what every trader needs. If they are not disciplined, even if I'm not disciplined, I cannot be consistent. I might lose the investors fund immediately.
I
And of
see.
course, with copy trade, the main thing why I choose copy trade is because if I have a very good track record, people see it, people like it, people subscribe to it, I basically can get more money.
I will definitely change my name to Mr. Tan now then. You are one smart fella, eh? One smart fella. All right. Okay. Okay. Such a good answer. Thank you for answering all of the questions, yeah. But before we proceed to our PAM question, again, a little bit nervous for you. All right. Just a simple question that I would like to ask. How does copy trading does to you now? How do you find it? Is it okay? How is it doing to your life? Are you doing good with copy trading? Are you doing good with pen managing and all instead of the traditional way?
Well, one thing for sure is that I do not need to fork out so much of my own money to trade bigger. Okay. Of course, I do have investors who put their trust in me and also put their own money inside. Okay. But that's why, as a copy trade master, even though I can trade with a bigger amount, the bigger I trade, the more money I can get. But I need to be very, 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 very disciplined. Well, it's good. It keeps me on track, or else I'll be loose. I'll be everywhere.
Yeah, man. So before we proceed with anything else, in case if your investor is looking for a new person, I can willingly to give me your my number to you. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So that's enough for copy trading. All right. So we have a few questions later on we're gonna ask. All right. So now let's go to our second main topic. All right. Since we talked about copy trading, since you are a trader that made a bunch from copy trading as well as spam managing. So now on the copy trading side, we've done it, settle. All right. So now let's go to our PAM side. All right. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of investors and newcomers that is trying to think whether to pump in their money to PAM account or copy trading. So there are a lot of confusion there. So maybe perhaps you could help them. All right. So with the first question, all right. First question. This is
From
very
Mr.
simple.
Tin, right? Is the first question from Mr. Tin?
No. For Mr. Tin, we're gonna do it at the end of the program, because he is questioning regarding copy trading and PAM. So now we're gonna talk about PAM only. All right.
Oh, right.
Right. So for the first question, bro, investing with a PAM trader can be quite complicated, isn't it? Right. So now, especially for those who are just starting out. So can you give us a brief overview of PAM trading, how it works, and what benefit it offers to investors? Simple. What is PAM trading? How does it work? And what are the benefits for it for the investors?
Okay. Well, I believe what my answers would be now. This question, this answer would actually answer Mr. Tin's questions as well. So I just
Oh,
get
okay.
okay.
Or
So
two birds with one stone.
yep.
Nice, man. All right, Mr.
Okay.
Tan.
So here's how it goes. PAM, MEM, and also copy trade. These three are very, very similar. Okay. These three system is actually a fund managing system. Okay.
Mhm.
It's more beneficial and also more for master to decide, the fund manager to decide actually. Let's take PAM and copy. PAM and copy trade, like I said, these two are similar. They are fund management system that fund managers use to manage investors' fund. But the main difference is in the master account actually. In copy,
Mhm.
okay, in copy trade, as the master, of course I will know how much my investor put in, subscribe to my copy trade. But when I trade in the master account, I will only see the amount that I deposit in.
Mm.
But for PAM, it will in the master account, I will be able to see everyone's invested amount in one empty form.
Mm.
For example, if let's say I'm depositing only 1,000 USD into my master account. In copy trade, if there is 100,000 USD worth of follower who follows my copy trade, when I trade the master account, I still only see 1,000 USD of my own funds.
Mm.
Okay, then The second one, if I use PEM, deposit 1,000 and I have investor who invest 99,000. So in the master PEM account, I will see a total of 100,000. And that 1,000, it actually includes my investment 1,000 as well as the 99,000.
Okay, so I heard you were saying about three things. First one, you were talking about copy trading, right? So for the second one, you did mention about PEM, and for the third one, this is a bit some of the traders doesn't know about this, but I just would like to highlight. You did mention regarding MEM, right? So we got PEM and we got MEM. Do we have sir afterwards? No, it's just a joke. Okay. After MEM and sir, right?
That's a very sensitive topic nowadays, man.
I was a bit nervous. I thought you couldn't get the joke, man. Okay, so anyhow, MEM. What is MEM, bro? What is how does it spell? MAMM or MOM or?
It's MAM.
MAM. Is it single M or double M? MAMM or MAM?
MAM.
MAM. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So what's M?
To be very, very honest with you, in detail, I do not know much about MEM because when I started in the industry, not many people or many brokers that actually offers PEM anymore. They offer PEM because PEM is actually the upgraded version of MEM. For example, like in the broker that I'm currently using, in the broker Lirunex, okay, the PEM system is the best, I would say, in the market. That's how it works. Number one, it has micro lot. As far to okay, this is what happens. From what I heard on my seniors and also my whoever that taught me how to trade, they did share this to me when they were using MEM to trade. The MEM manager, okay, the fund manager actually needs to open the exact lot size or more in order to cater to every single one of the investor. But for our PEM, okay, for the PEM that I'm currently using, okay, the fund manager do not open lot sizes.
Oh, it's safer.
We have micro lots. Even in the MT4 system, when I open a lot size of 0.01, but when the profit sharing distribution or calculation, okay, it will be based on 0.40 and 1, so 5 decimal point. So
I see.
manager, I do not need to put so much pressure on myself to actually open a very big lot size in order to cater to all size of production.
Wow, this is very safe. Sorry, I didn't get the broker's name. What was the broker's name just now?
Oh, I'm currently using Lirunex for both on my copy trade and PEM.
Lirunex for copy trade and PEM, and you are from Malaysia, right?
Yes.
I see. Okay. Lirunex. Okay, we're definitely gonna check that out, man.
Okay.
It sounds pretty safe and pretty rewarding. I must say.
Correct. And that's not the only part where I like to use the PEM actually. Not only that, okay. Second, the profit sharing distribution is done on the same day, same date of every month. Not same day, but same date of every month. For example, whatever trades that is being made this month of July, I will get my profit sharing distribution on the 7th of every month. So basically, that's like my payday.
Oh, okay. That's definitely a payday, man.
Yeah, that's definitely my payday. But of course, all PEM and also copy trade, they have a system that uses it is called high watermark. Meaning, if I manage my investors fund, okay, I push their amount from 1,000 to 1,100. Example, yeah. Okay. The original watermark is at 1,000. When I push it to 1,100, that's the new high watermark. So from there, I will actually get the profit sharing from the profit that I made, which is 100 USD, $100. But if let's say, okay, since the high watermark now is 1,100 and I lost the investors fund, okay, I lost the investors fund maybe by just 50 USD, okay, and then I profit it back around 20 or 30 USD. But I still did not manage to push my investors' capital or funds to be more than 1,100 USD. Then I will not get a single cent from the profit sharing distribution. So that's pretty fair, meaning I need to keep up my performance every single month, every single day in order for me to get my payday. If not, I will not get anything. I will just look at the screen. I'm like,
Oh, okay. Mr. Tan, welcome to my life. Just kidding, man. Okay, all right. Okay, what a lovely sharing. Okay, so I'm looking at the comments right now. I can see that Mr. Tin has come up with 2 questions now. Okay, Mr. Tin has come up with 2 questions now. All right, so before we answer Mr. Tin, all right, that's one last question that I would like to ask to you. It's a very simple question and very straightforward. In your opinion, okay, I would like you to answer this question through your eyes lah. Nampak tak? Okay. So, in your opinion, all right, in your opinion, where do you see the future of PAM trading heading in the coming years?
future of trading, yeah. Okay. This is from my perspective and my point of view, because this is also my dream actually. My dream is to be a full-time trader and
Wow.
a professional fund manager
Oh, okay.
that manage a fund size of 9 digits. Well, everyone has the dream and everyone starts from somewhere, right?
Betul.
So-
Right, correct. Sorry. My Malay came out. My Malay came out, man. I'm so sorry.
My
Okay.
dream. Okay. For to be a professional fund manager, okay, you will need to be able to emotionally and also mentally be ready to trade a big amount in one account. Because do you see any fund manager like in the institutional banking? Do you think that they are trading with an amount of only 1,000 or even 10,000 USD?
Nah, I think 1,000, 10,000 USD is just their toilet bill, bro.
Yeah, exactly. So this is what I see the future for PAM trading. Eventually, when someone who is a very, very good trader and do want to become a fund manager, the best system that they can use is actually PAM, because they will only need to trade one account, okay, and they will actually trade based on one big amount of account. They do not need to trade just based on their own balance. To institutional trader, they are not trading 3 digits, 4 digits, or even 5 digits. They're trading 7 digits and above.
Yeah, man, the account is very scary, bro. If you're
Yeah,
talking about 7 digits and above, right? That's amazing. That's just insane, bro. It's incredible.
correct. So that's why a lot of the fund manager actually uses PAM more than copy trade in actual fact. But the reason why it copy trade and also PAM exists is because sometimes it depends on the trader or the fund manager himself. Like for example, I do know a lot of other people, okay, they can trade very well, but they can only trade a small they can only trade well when they are trading a small account, few $100, 1,000. When they are trading small account, their mental and also their emotion is very, very much in control. So that's why they can perform very well. And to put it simple, it's easier to get $10 out of $100 account. That's 10%, and 10% out of a 1 million account. Correct or not?
Correct. That's very much correct, bro. The moment you could see your account is negative 2,000, right? Negative 2 million, right? You're like, wow, what's going on? You know, it's panicking, bro. It's very panicking.
Correct. Exactly. So that's why it depends on the fund manager actually. If he or she is comfortable in trading their own amount only and also comfortable in seeing a small number, then they would better use copy trade as a fund managing system. But some trader or some fund manager, they don't like and they cannot see small funds because they say it's a waste of time. It's very, very slow progress. So that's why they to trade big accounts with big amounts so that they can actually manage their risk better. So it depends on each individual on which one they would like to use. They would like to trade a small amount or they like to trade a big amount. But both have the same mindset, which is they have the skill, the confidence, the discipline, as well as the emotion. If either one of these, they could not actually be honest to themselves or tick the box, I don't think they should be a fund manager. This is from my perspective.
Wow. So meaning to say you gotta be a very, how I would address this, a very stable person, a very stable person.
Yes, it can, trading can also actually grow you as a person. It helps you be calm, be more disciplined, and what you call this, be more mature in decision making.
Yeah, man. So maybe perhaps you can tell everyone that who would like to venture in the trading world, maybe they could become a swim coach first to understand things better in life, and then they become a forex coach after that.
I don't think swim coach is the right thing, but I think for ex-athletes, okay, ex-athletes, for those of you who has actually gone through very, very rigorous set of training for your sports for years to come, while drilling with the technique that you're supposed to do for years after years, I think you guys can be actually can be a damn good trader. I'm not saying that those who are not an athlete before this cannot be a good. You guys can. Okay, some of them, some of my colleagues are not even athletes. Okay, but they can actually trade very, very well. Why? Because they are by nature, they are very, very calm and disciplined person. So that's why you can also do very, very well.
Wow, lovely sharing, man. Lovely sharing, lovely sharing. I would love to have this interview again with you. But
problem.
before we carry on the before we carry on any longer, all right, I'm pretty sure Mrs. Tin would like you to answer his questions, right? So regarding from whatever that I'm reading right now is I am seeing that you have answered his first question, which is better between copy trading and PAM, right? So that one you answered already. So now the second question from Mr. Tin 4340. What are the usual fees when we subscribe to copy trading or PAM?
The fees is actually set by the master. It's not by the broker. Okay. In the market, there's 3 sets of fees that is actually set by masters everywhere. There is 80-20, 30-70, and 60-40. For mine itself, I'm taking only 30%. So it's a 30-70% profit sharing. 30% I take, 70% investor take. But that's for me. I don't know about other fund managers. Some of them even take 50-50. Some of them maybe take lesser, 90-10. This depends on the master actually, not on the broker.
Is it possible for us to structure a 5% share and 95% for the investor?
Well, if the fund manager is very, very what we call this, nice in a way,
like you lah.
I'm not that nice. That's why I said 30-70.
Sir, take my money, sir. Take my money. Where's my wallet? All right. Okay. Lovely sharing, Adam. Lovely sharing. So as you can see on the time, it's 47 minutes down now. All right. So before we end our interview session, and we have answered all of the questions that is located on the comment down here. All right. So before anything else, I just would like to say thank you to you, Adam. All right. So thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your thoughts through your eyes. All right. It's very important for all the traders to know your insights, your sharings, and also your expertise on this topic has been invaluable, and we are extremely grateful for your time and effort. All right. So before that, we wish you to continue success in your trading career and hope to have you on our show again soon, bro. Hope to see you again soon.
Thank you so much for the opportunity and also for inviting me into this interview. I appreciate it. Okay. Of course, we'll keep in touch. If there's any question from the crowd, do throw it to me and I'll answer it accordingly.
All right. Okay. Thank you so much, Adam Fristan. This is me, Haziq Hussaini, signing out from WikiFX. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye and take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Leadernet is a worldwide investment business that offers a comprehensive range of trading services in currency trading and CFDs. We are highly regulated corporate holding multiple licenses by various act of authorities such as Cyprus Security Exchange Commission, Labo and Financial Services Authority, and Ministry of Economic Development. Lironex's philosophy is to maintain loyal client by ensuring client satisfaction. Thus, we provide the most transparent, safe, and trustworthy services under secure regulation while ensuring our client remains satisfied with their impeccable trading experience. We also analyze worldwide market trends daily and stay current on the latest technology to meet the client's demands. Lironex is led by our global elite management team, CEO Jack Fong, COO Nikos Christo, CTO Sky Lee, COO Dixon Woon, and CRO ECK. We have expanded our business globally in 18 countries, including Cyprus, Thailand, Vietnam, China, Indonesia, Malaysia, Taiwan, Philippines, Singapore, and many others. We aim to become an industry leader based on transparent and trustworthy relations with our clients and seek higher growth opportunities. Lironex delivers superior services in currency trading along with Forex, precious metals, commodities, equity indices, cryptocurrency, and stocks. Our client can trade with MetaTrader 4 trading platform for quick access and control of their trading accounts. In 2022, we have launched our secured and user-friendly trading platform, Lironex Trading App. Client can obtain Forex signals from industry experts instantly and effortlessly at their fingertips via our trading app. Lironex also delivers a multi-level affiliate program and introducing broker program under competitive conditions to our partners. In addition, our PAM and multi-level affiliate program solutions are dedicated to investors and fund managers with flexible remuneration plans. Also, our industry has constantly recognized the value and celebrated the excellence of Lironex for consistently providing the finest experience with outstanding platform and services. We are determined to provide you with an exceptional trading environment and assist you in achieving financial success.
Get ready for an extraordinary event that will revolutionize the way you trade. Introducing the Mindanao Traders Expo, a two-day extravaganza dedicated to Forex, crypto, and stock market enthusiasts. Prepare to be inspired by our lineup of exceptional trading mentors, sharing their expertise and strategies to help you master the world of trading. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, the Mindanao Traders Expo offers a platform for learning, networking, and exploring exciting opportunities. Connect with fellow Forex, crypto, and stock market enthusiasts, expand your knowledge, and build valuable relationships with like-minded individuals. Unleash your potential with in-depth workshops on Forex, cryptocurrency, and stock market trading, covering everything from fundamentals to advanced strategies. Immerse yourself in the world of trading through our interactive sessions, where you can practice trading in a risk-free environment. Explore the latest technologies, tools, and platforms offered by our invited Forex brokers, gaining insights to enhance your trading journey. Don't miss out on this extraordinary opportunity. Join us at the Mindanao Traders Expo on August 18th and 19, 2023 in the heart of Davao City. Reserve your spot today.